I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the signal. Pick a quiet space and place the mic 6-12 inches away, then set input gain low so peaks stay under clipping. Once done, open Bandlab, create a new project and import your track or record a dry take, avoid effects for now. Make sure your input device and sample rate, usually 44. 1 kHz are correct, and turn monitoring off to prevent feedback. This gives you clean material to work on before any noise reduction. Now you tackle noise with tools in sequence, so each step removes a layer. First, trim and use clip gain or fades to silence quiet or clipped bits. This prevents processors from overreacting. Next, add an EQ. Use a high pass to remove rumble below about 80 Hz and notch narrow bands causing hums. Then insert a noise gate or Bandlab denoise if available. Adjust threshold and release so it closes on silence, but stays natural on performance. If needed, use a third-party noise plugin on problem zones. Finish by smoothing what you've done. Apply light compression and a broad EQ to glue tone back together. Don't overdo it because noise reduction can thin audio. Once finished, a /B compare processed and original, then render stems and listen on headphones, phone, and monitors to confirm balance. If you hear artifacts or pumping, undo excessive settings. Lower reduction depth, raise gate threshold, or confine processing to noisy regions only. If problems persist, re-record with improved mic placement and lower room noise as the cleanest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.